everyone, me checking my finished work. Hope you guys like it. This is me putting on a raffle hat and a crochet bubu top. Hello, me about to start my crochet with me for the first time. Yes, this is where I started stitching. This is a granny stitch. If you look closely, next I finish the work. You can see the neckline has 2 ropes. This is the back. This is the cap yarn for the cap. Now this is the process so far. This is how far I've gone with the cap yarn, and then this is the wavy coils. I'm doing a wavy coils around, so I attach the final yarn color. Ta-da! The work is ready. You can see both back and front. Now this is me putting on my finished work, checking the hands, my bubu top, all handmade by me. This is the back line, and just checking. Now this is the neckline. It has a rope which you can lose. You can leave it like that, or you can also tie it however you please. It pleases. Then you can see. Now this is the raffle hat. A raffle hat, it has coils, wavy coils. I made it very simple. Thanks for watching. See you again.